What's the meaning of Cantabrigian? Cantabrigian. Cantabrigian.
Cantabrigian. Cantabrigian. Cantabrigian is a word used to describe someone or something related to Cambridge, a university city in England. The term is often used to refer to graduates or students of the prestigious University of Cambridge. It can also be used to describe the culture, traditions, or architecture of the city. Overall, Cantabrigian is a term that celebrates the intellectual and cultural heritage of Cambridge and its association with the world-renowned university.